Yeah. He's like, I swear. Philip, are you done over there yet? Damn it. I'm getting hot. I want some water. Poor guy.
Yeah, really.
I think I might cut my motor off, see if that makes him go. River.
Hi.
That one had a bend in it on the right. Let's see if I can grab a screenshot of that. It went up so far and bent back down.
Right. Well, the next time we have a fire alarm and open the door,
right.
We set up in a really strange situation.
Dressed in Gregorian chant robes.
Right.
Or the mystery riders in the middle of their meditation yoga.
There you go. What the baby pose? I was happy with it.
I called it. She said happy baby.
Happy baby, right?
Yeah, and I said, but happy babies put their feet in their mouth, and
right.
she said that she couldn't do that, and I said, well, then you're just moderately okay baby. Not a happy baby if you can't put your feet in your mouth.
I think that, you know, it's a shame we missed this banter between you two in terms of recording it. And I'm gonna have to set up a camera on like my new audio recorder just to get that banter because you guys are really good at it.
Oh.
Okay.
Sorry.
You're like snatching pee anywhere.
Anthony,
It's good for the environment.
I never said in front of anybody.
That's funny. This is
Well, she's trying, but she hasn't got the full Anthony yet.
Right. The Incredible Hulk Anthony.
Yeah. We'll see if I can find a stuffed little goat to give her. Say, hey, you've been trying to get my goat, so I bought one for you.
Oh boy.
That would be hilarious.
Just to give her a goat award.
Goat award.
He'll think it's the greatest of all time, but it's got a different meaning.
There you go. Radio Shack.
Are you serious?
Seriously, right there on the left with the UPS truck making a delivery. It's a Radio Shack steel power equipment.
Hey, we can go there and get
That'd be funny. Make it up, like, we don't have that, but we got the kit. You can build your own. You know those radio kits you could buy there? Walmart has a bathroom.
Yeah, but so does the gas station.
Oh, so you wanted a big bathroom.
I just, Walmart, whatever. You guys must have been talking up a storm. I spent like 10 minutes flashing my high beams. I'm like, it's a good thing he's paying attention.
I told him, he said something about you flailing your arms around. I said, well, ride up there and see what she wants. Right. Yeah, and he's like, well, she's not doing it anymore. I said, okay.
Well, I was going to start waving my hand, but I didn't want you guys to panic. I thought it'd be a good place to start the cameras up, to take a pee.
Oh, okay.
Like just before we go into more kind of rural areas, right?
Yeah.
Well, don't be afraid to just honk your horn.
Man, that's a cool looking river.
Yeah.
Who's gonna go skinny dip? That's like shallow, but it's nice.
It's probably more like just for you. Summer when it's really hot.
Oh, it's pretty hot today. Let's see. What is the temperature right now? Right now. 73.4 degrees, and we're at 991 feet.
Okay.
All right, so we'll have to keep an eye on that when we get up in the mountain. Look at that scary ass bridge. Missing a guardrail. Dang.
I didn't think I'd see anything scarier than the wooden bridges we went over yesterday, but that's
Yeah. Weren't those a Newhall strip if it's like lifting you up like that?
right.
Should have said rumble speed bumps ahead. Oh, they got a flag person. Wow, look at this stuff. What are those? Hey, what the heck are these?
Turbines or something.
I don't know. Are they? They're not fans because they're mounted. They're some kind of, I don't know. They're like welded inside the tunnels.
Secret government compound?
Mm-hmm.
We don't know about.
Could be, man. Could be.
Some of them been here long enough to start rusting, so.
Right, and some look new.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, ventilation system for the mine?
It could be, but if they have it here, then what's working in the mine?
Nothing. Hands on his hips, that means we're going to be here for a bit.
Yeah. He's like, I swear. Philip, are you done over there yet? Damn it. I'm getting hot. I want some water. Poor guy.
Yeah, really.
I think I might cut my motor off, see if that makes him go.